Guys, it's your boy Mo, and in this video, we'll be doing our first Java lab, which is lab 15.1. So in this lab, it's a very simple lab. I just read it, but I have never done Java before. This is my first time writing a Java code. We'll be doing this in REPL, but let's just get right into it. So in this lab, uh, we need to do this lab right here. So I'm going to read this out loud. The East Coast sales division of a company generates 62% of total sales. So this company generates 62% of total sales based on what? Based on that percentage, write a program that will predict how much the East Coast division will generate if the company has $4.6 million in sales this year. So this is a very simple code. In our case, we need to use class data types, uh, assignment statements, which is equal to statements, variables, arithmetic operators, comments, single lines and multi-line comments, and the printf function. The output two decimal places with comma and dollar symbol using format specifier. So in this specific case, we will be using REPL over here. So we're going to name our REPL. What should we name our REPL? We're gonna name it first lab, first Java lab. Let's move this out of the way. There we go. And we're gonna hit create. So as soon as we hit create, this should give us some of the functionality of Java itself. Right here, so it already created this for us. So it created a public class main, and then public static void main, and then the string arrays. All we really need to do is write our code within this brackets, which is the block, which is where the block of code starts. So system.out println hello world. This will simply output hello world, right? Let's run this and see what happens. It outputs hello world. So we can erase this and start writing our code here. But before we start writing our code, I just want to explain a little bit of public class main and then public static void and main string. What does those mean? So public class main is the fact that it declares a class named main. The class serves as a blueprint for creating objects and contains the program's code. So this public class main, it contains the whole program's code itself. The public void, so a void function in my from my learning experience from C++, it's a void function does not return anything. So in our case, it would not return anything. Public is the method associated from for our program. Static is the method belongs to the class, not instances of it. The void does not return anything, and then the main is the name of the method itself. Now the string part right here, I'm not sure what that actually means. I think it just means like we're passing on an array of string from the command line. That's what I think it means, but I'm not exactly 100% sure. But that's not our main focus here. I just want to do the code itself. In our case, oh, this is going to be the output. We're not going to do the programmer, and then we're not going to do the date and time, any of that. We're just going to do the stuff. It should be very simple and straightforward. Okay, so first things, let's get ready to it. 62% is the total sales. So we're not going to let the program convert 62% to decimal. We're going to convert it ourselves and then write it here. So we're going to do, let's start doing it. So we're going to do float percent underscore decimal. Decimal is equal to, so 60, sorry guys, 62% is supposed to be 0.62 in decimal format. And then we're going to end with semicolon. I don't know why there's, oh, yeah, so we have to use double. I keep thinking this is Python. This is not. We're going to use double because double, it's a double precision in Java. So double, it's going to be our type, our variable type, and then this is going to be our variable. Percent underscore decimal is equal to 0.62, right? And then now, let's see over here. It says based on the percentage writer program that generates, the company has $4.6 million this year in sales, right? So the East Coast company, right? So we're going to do double sales underscore amount equals 44.6 million. So that should be 4600 4600. Hold on, how do you write 000? Let's see over here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 100,000, million, 10 million. Yeah, this should be a point 00. Let me just double check over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 6. All right, so sales amount is 46 thousand. Sorry, 4.6 million. So that's going to be 4.6 million. And then, in order for us to calculate the sales amount of the East Coast Company, all we do is multiply the total sales and the percent in decimal. So we're going to declare another variable of double. We're going to name this East Coast bread, because bread in slang means money. If you guys didn't know, BREAD equal to, so East Coast bread would be percent decimal, so double times sales amount, which is also a double. And then we're gonna end this with semicolon. Boom. We end this with semicolon. Now we print our answer over here. So let's just, before we format this this way with all the text, let's just see if this gives us the correct answer. So all we're going to do is we're going to print our East Coast bread. Oh, print ln. Sorry, I keep thinking this is Python. Oh, that also doesn't work. print. Maybe print f. Oh, no. We were right, because we did not end with semicolons. But that still does not work. Maybe print f. Not find symbol. It says, what am I doing wrong? Yo, guys, I am making such a stupid mistake again. So our mistake is, this is not Python. This is Java. And this is not how you print a line. Insane, right? Such a silly mistake. All right. So sorry about that, guys. The way you print this is system. Start with a capital letter, capital SYSTEM dot out. This is such a silly mistake. I'm so sorry. This should not happen at all. Print. This is embarrassing. Print ln. Print ln, and now this should work. What? It didn't work. Okay, it worked. So 285.200.0. 285.2000.0. All right, cool. So now let's go ahead and simply format this the way Dio wants it. So we're gonna do East Coast sales prediction is, I'm gonna do it on strings. East Coast sales. Let's see over here. So one more time, sales. PREDICTION. PREDICTION is East Coast sales prediction is, and then we're gonna do a dollar sign. We're gonna do a dollar sign. What do we do here? In order to format with dollar sign, we use I think we use dollar sign percent. Well, from what I remember, it was dollar sign percent, comma dot to f, and then we put comma. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, we didn't end. We did not end with. So print f. So this is gonna be print f right here. so he's formatted properly. So let's run this one more time. His work, and here we have it, is 2852.000. That is it. That is our answer. That's our answer. That's our answer. We have it. I'm not posting this on the group chat, nor I'm posting this on Discord. I'm just gonna post this